good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So this is our 5th day of work. Yes, magkakapalis tayo tomorrow and Sunday. So I'm happy kasi everyday nakaka-survive tayo. And we praise God always na binibigyan tayo ng wisdom para harapin yung ating mga araw, okay? Going to school now. Walk. Pero before that, nadaan muna ako sa van. Sa van papuntang Hatiay kasi mamaya pupunta na akong Hatiay. Tatanungin tayo kung anong schedule nila. Okay. Alright. Okay guys. Kita-kits tayo later. Okay. Galing tayo doon sa may van terminal. Nagas lang tayo kung anong oras mag-start. Anong oras yung next travel. Saan sila? So mamaya mag-travel tayo. 1 hour daw yung travel time. Pwede yung magtagal here. Yes, I know. Itong natawi malayo siya sa Bangkok, guys. Malapit siya sa border ng Malaysia. Ayan, Songkhla. Songkhla. And tahimik yung tao, peaceful, at saka maganda dito guys sa Thailand. Safe yung mga gamit mo. Wala dito talagang anong gamit. Kahit ibang mo pa. Siguro some other places. Pero here, sa place namin, mga ilang minutes na lang, we're coming na. Nasa na tayo. Sa school na tayo, guys. That's the border patrol police. Yeah. Yun, ganyan tayong store dun, no? Pwede tayong bumili. Yes, I know. Because it is I can face. Ayan, pwede ka rin parang pumunta dyan. Like a park. So, just like a park. Okay. Yan. Pwede tayo mag-jogging there. Walk. And every morning, exercise din pala dito. Pwede kang mag-exercise. Walk. Soon makakabasa din tayo niya. Hanggang makarali natin. Okay, lapit na guys. Ganda ng araw. It's a new start. Fresh new start. Okay, we are here in Natawi Industrial and Community Education College. And dito naman sa isang entrance, that is our school. There. Okay, let's go. Professor there, okay? Okay, we're gonna cut it now. And later, we will be continue our vlog. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Where are we going? Where are we going? So we are here. We are. Say hi. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Yay! Ang aga nila. Ang aga nila today. They are there. And they're playing. Running.
ตัวเธอจะให้ความช่วยเธอคอยหานัดแล้วทำไมไม่มานัดแล้วทำไมไม่มาโอ้เธอช้าอย่าช้ารีบหน่อยรีบหน่อยรีบหน่อยเร็วหน่อยเร็วหน่อยเร็วหน่อยเร่งหน่อยเร่งหน่อยเร่งหน่อยเอามือลงค่ะรถยนต์ทุกก็ได้ทุกสิ่งอย่ามัวประวิ่งอะไรกันเล่าจะมัวเราะดังจะปรบมือดังจะปรบมือดังต้องปรบมือดังต้องทืบเท้าดังได้อยู่เก่งอยู่นะคะเริ่มจะเก่งแล้วเหลือบางส่วนเล็กๆไม่กี่คนเธอจะไม่รู้จักครูถามนักเรียนเข้าใหม่ฉันจำไม่ได้ชื่ออะไรขอให้บอกมาชื่ออะไรคะน้องโสภาน้องเวน้าน้องไหมทองค่ะชื่ออะไรคะน้องหนุ่มชื่ออะไรคะน้องหนุ่มชื่ออะไรคะน้องหนุ่ม
Hello.
น้องหนุ่มนะลองเขียนชื่ออะไรคะลองเขียนชื่ออะไรคะเริ่มจะไม่มั่นใจว่าตัวเองชื่อถูกไหมลูกค่ะ
We're here in Primary 3-1. So there he is. Hi. Okay. Okay, let's go. We're here and we're on a break. Lunch. We take early. Hi everyone. Let's eat. Say hi. There's so many. Aranay. Wow, it's so delicious. Yeah, it's so delicious. Thailand song. Spicy. Thank you. Wow, this watermelon. What's that? What's the name? Noodles. Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Wow, it's delicious. Soup and suka. And soy sauce. Soy fish sauce. Wow, it's fish sauce and vinegar and sugar. And this is the noodles and wow. Yeah. That's it guys. So, ito yung noodles na pagkain ngayon. So, yan mga student. Take lunch. Okay? Let's eat. Medyo ko siya ng spicy, pero wala talaga dapat. So, I put some fish sauce and chili. It's chicken, parang chicken marrow soup. Hi. Hi. Wow. Yes. Hi. Yes. Hi. Hi. Let's always eat. Hi. Eat. You're good. Hi. Yeah, that's a little. Wow. Yeah, that's it. See, like this. Yeah. See, teacher. Halanay, like a bolo soup? Chicken bolo soup? Yeah. Wow, it's delicious. It's chicken molo. Yes. Yeah. Bye. It's chicken molo soup. It's a beautiful day. Hi, it's a beautiful day with these kids. Yeah, we're gonna go to the pavilion. We want to go there. Kubo kubo. Yeah. Let's sing. Hi. Where's the others laughing? They are.
ไม่เจอเหรียญภาษา
Mm-hmm.
ไม่เจอวันเหรียญภาษาอะไรได้ไหมนะ
Mm-hmm. Other teacher told me that they saw some snake there. They saw. Yeah.
ไม่ใช่เจ้าที่มันคือดิน
Him?
เยอะ
Yeah. You want this? Chocolate?
ปกติ
Yes, this is my chocolate. You want that? That is my
กี่
chocolate.
บาท
Yeah.
กี่บาทที่ซื้อ
Yeah. Let's eat. Let's eat.
สองสาม
Yeah.
เร็วเร็วไม่ต้องให้รู้คนนะไม่มี
Yeah. Say hi. Konchuarai. Konchuarai.
หอมแปมเขาชื่อหอมแปม
Pam. How about you?
ชื่ออะไร
Chuarai. Kitten. Hi. Good afternoon. How about you? What's your name? Chuarai.
ชื่อกัญญาพัฒน์
Hmm?
ชื่อ
Kanyapak. Yes, and our friend here.
ที่เจอ
Hi, you're so cute. Cute. Yummy. Crunchy. Yummy.
แล้วมีแบบ
Wow, there's a beautiful place.
นะ
Yeah. Hi. Say mabuhay. In Philippines, say mabuhay. Mabuhay. Very good. Hi everyone. We're back. We're here in what do you call this? Pavilion. Okay, they gave me some strawberry cake. Yes, thank you so much for your kindness. You want to try this one? You want to try? Yeah, we're here. It's so hot here. What can you call that? What is that?
Spicy.
It's a spicy. It's a spicy.
Spicy.
Is it fish?
เผ็ด
Fish?
เผ็ด
Papla?
เผ็ด
Papla?
Yeah. เผ็ด
Papla. It's fish. Yes, pla is fish. How about moo? It's pork, right? Moo.
ปลาแซลมอน
Pa spicy. Pa spicy. Yan. Yes?
ไหมเลิกเรียน3:30
What do you mean by that?
3
Sam? Sam. Like
ปลาไม่เผ็ด
song. Song.
1 2
Song. Nung. Song. Sam.
4
What's this? C. Ha.
ตี4
Hawk.
7 8
Pet.
9 10
Hey.
วันใช่ไหม
It's hawk.
วัน
I forgot. What's this?
ชื่อวัน
So it's hook. Like
เอ๊ะ
again. It's soon. Soon. Nong. Song. Sam. Si. Ha. Hook.
7
Chet. Ped.
9
Cow. And sheep. Okay. That's the number. That's the number game. Yeah. Okay. I will try my best. But the best, my best.
ถ้าที่เชื่อพูดไทยไปเรื่อยๆก็คือจะพูดไทยได้ทุกวันเลย
Again. Wow. Eat. Let's eat. You want?
เดี๋ยวบอกพี่ด้วยมาแล้วครับพี่เชื่อ
Wow. Try it. It's okay. Let's eat. Wow.
พี่เชื่อ
Yeah.
พี่เชื่อ
Kapangki mo. Hi. We're going out. Yeah. We teacher on. We teacher on. To Philippines. Someday with the teachers. We're going to Puerto Princesa, Boracay. There's a lot of beaches and there's a lot of tourist attractions there. Let's go. Teacher, how far your house here?
About 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers?
Yes.
Oh, so far.
Over the bridge, traffic light.
Hmm? So far, 3 kilometers. It's about 30 minutes.
Not far.
Oh, it's about 20 minutes. 15
If
20.
you walk, too far.
But if you ride, just faster. Fast as you can. This is Sai. Sai.
Not side, side.
Sai. Okay. Thank you for teaching. Yeah. Sai. Sai. Wow, thank you, Natsawi. Wow. Oh. Teacher, after the bridge, my apartment. Yes. That is my apartment, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
How do I say another word? You're welcome and
You're
another
welcome.
word.
My pleasure.
Ah.
Thank you, teacher. Wow, it's original flower. Wow. What flower is this?
Carnation.
Kanishan? Chanchu? Kenny-chan. Okay. Wow, Kenny-chan. Love it. There's a lot of flowers here, guys. Wow. Flower 4. Yes. Thank you so much. I'm gonna up.